Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first open the settings application and then now let's just check the display. So unfortunately we have no installed by default the AD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the Muviz Edge. So now we should get this application. To do that, tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to draw our apps, and find here Muviz Edge application. So click to the support or to activate as option and go back. Then just open the Muviz Edge application. Okay, so go back in application, tap to AD section and select one from these available tabs, click to apply. Now this time applied successfully, so let's lock the device and let's check, and we can see that we just successfully activated the AD option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.